Hello and welcome, everyone. In our previous lesson, you've gained a solid understanding of the basics of Canva. Now, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. In this session, I'll guide you through the process of creating an account on Canva. Let's dive in. To create an account, open your web browser and go to Canva's website, www.canva.com. Now on the website's right side, select the Sign Up option. A pop-up window will appear in front of you for creating an account. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or enter your email address to create a new Canva account. You have multiple options for creating your account. You can select any of them. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. I'll create a Canva account using my Gmail address. I'm using this way to create accounts because everyone has a Gmail account. Now I'll give my account a name. It's asking for the code that was emailed to my Gmail account. So let's head over to Gmail and copy the code. This is the code for Canva. I'll copy this code and paste it here. Then it is asking, what will you be using Canva for? I will choose Personal. This section will be discussed in greater depth later. Our Canva account has been successfully created.